In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Just Markets. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard is you want to go to the My Accounts tab, top left, create a real or a demo trading account. You can just do that by clicking Open New Account here. You can select either MT5 or MT4, select which account you want, and then open real, open demo, and then of course you want to select your currency, leverage, your trading password, which is very important, so make sure you do remember this one, and then you also have to set your balance if it's a demo account. Then you have to click create account and you'll be able to see it here on the list. Now of course you can then trade it using the desktop version of either MT4 or MT5, or you could just go with the web version. You can click trade and then open the web trader. Now of course if you want the desktop versions, I have separate tutorials on how to use those, so make sure you go watch those in case you are interested. And then in here, when you are inside Just Markets MT4 web trader, you can just open up a new order by clicking new order up here or double clicking anywhere on your symbols. You can then select the symbol you want to trade, the volume, stop loss, take profit. You can add a comment to your order, select if you want a market order or a pending limit order, and then just click on buy or sell over here, and then your order is going to go through, and that's how you can start trading on Just Markets. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.